Yes. Because
Yeah, both
the
should be blank
reason
here.
is, yeah, the reason is that if the system determines the door as a bin, then it should
Yep.
determine dynamically rather than this
Yes,
hardcode.
exactly. See, first, okay, the system determines the door, and based on the door system, okay, determines the corresponding the staging area.
Yes.
Okay, so it's basically okay here. Okay, that should be blank. You can see my screen, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Now we can
Okay,
see your
so
screen.
yeah, so usually okay, we make this as blank. So first the system finds it as a door, and from the door, okay, it finds the staging area. From staging area to the okay, the further steps, okay, it will go and okay,
Yes,
take
yes.
it place. Yeah.
But I'm not able to, determine the doors. I don't know what
Oh,
is wrong.
okay. That actually the door determination. Okay, we have to make sure the settings are there. Okay.
Um, Whatever I can remember, I've made the settings, but I'll still
Okay.
see.
Yeah. So yesterday, okay, I showed you the problem also. Okay, yesterday, okay, debug this thing. Okay, and okay, got the particular okay the logic. Okay, which actually okay determines the packaging specification also. So I just okay copied okay that particular code. Okay, so whenever if it is a vast relevant code, okay, we know that okay system was throwing okay this is the error for us. It could not find that okay the Unix packaging spec. Okay, so internally okay it goes to this particular code. I remember okay this is a function module okay the pack spec okay determine this is the function module okay which is called centrally for any pack spec determination. Okay, so basically it passes your delivery data and then okay the condition procedure, and also okay it need to result okay it need to send that okay the results of the pack spec only. So basically the same thing like okay your condition record evaluation only. So if it throws this exception okay then you will be getting this error. So whenever okay if your condition records is not matching or okay the pack spec is not determining correctly, okay you can always okay keep a breakpoint inside this particular function module, and then you can just okay execute it okay what to find out okay what is the reason for the error also. So that's why okay I sent okay this particular part of the code okay which may be useful to you even later also, because these kind of errors okay you may even face it okay when you are implementing projects. You will never know that okay what is the error in the config, or okay it may be due to the data error, or somebody might have changed the data also. Okay, so what I did is that okay I just okay removed that okay the ship from party here, and then okay put the condition okay based on the product only, and then it should be able to pick up the my packaging specification. So let's okay create okay one delivery, and then we'll see that okay how the value added services order okay it will get created automatically.
Really one quick question.
Yep.
Can we, is there any setting with the delivery attached to any queue?
Sorry.
Can the delivery type or some setting is there in the system for the delivery which is assigned to any particular queue?
No, you cannot do that thing, because okay all the deliveries okay will go to the same queue like DLV star only.
Okay.
So based on this thing okay, you want to say that okay you want to have different queues for different delivery types?
Yes, right.
No, that's not possible. But what you can do is that okay once it goes to the QRFC you can always do the load balancing. You can assign separate application server to process those QRFC,
Okay.
and then okay you can always do the load balancing.
Okay.
Okay, so I just okay created okay this particular delivery. Now so what is this number? Okay, it's ending with okay 148. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's go to that okay our delivery.
CRD.
Okay, yeah, sorry. So now just okay so 148 is our document number. Okay. What happened to this thing? It is still not arrived, or okay?
148. 148.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yep, sorry. So 508 is a document, okay, which it got created successfully, okay. Now, if the VAS, okay, got created automatically, okay, we should be able to, okay, go to the corresponding, okay, the VAS document, okay. If you go here, now display the order for the VAS. Okay, can you see here the next document, okay, 5000, 5001, and then okay, the 5002, okay, it got created the VAS, and you can see that, okay, the document is, okay, active. Can you see here the pack spec, okay, 1 followed by 3 zeros, okay. So this is our, okay, the pack spec, okay, 1 followed by, okay, 4 zeros, 3 zeros, which actually got picked up, okay, based on the condition record of, okay, the 0PSI. So what actually, okay, my VAS is saying that, okay, first thing is that, okay, add the preservatives, that is, okay, you want to put some oil or these things, and then, okay, pack these things, okay, these are the 2 steps, okay, I just want to, okay, to do in my VAS also. Okay, so whenever if you want to do these VAS activities, okay, you need to actually, okay, you need to have defined, okay, the any packing, or if you want to do any activities in SAP system, okay, you need to have, okay, the one of the work center also. So if you want to, okay, finish this VAS activities, okay, you just need to, okay, take them to the VAS work center. But okay, I have not defined any VAS work center, okay, it's not, okay, taking directly to here. So that's why, okay, it is not available here to you. You can see here that, okay, the work center is, okay, not attached here. So what we can do is that, okay, I can just define, okay, one of the work center, and then I can assign it manually, or I can say that, okay, the work center determination for the VAS also automatically also you can do it also. So let's, okay, if you want it, okay, you can define a work center, and then you can assign it one work center to execute our VAS operations. SPRO IMG. No, Vishnu will tell. Mass data, okay, so work center, okay. Now you just, okay, define, okay, the work centers, okay, for the value-added services. Okay, so let's take that, okay, I just want to use, okay, the WVI1 as a first VAS work center, okay, and as well as, okay, the WVI2, okay, for the second operation if you want to do it, or you can do the both of them in the same, okay, work centers also. So WVI1 is the one work center, okay, and WVI2 is the another work center also. Okay, now you can see that, okay, the external step is assigned is a VS01, and also, okay, you can see that, okay, what is the corresponding, okay, the bin and everything is assigned also here. So 8050 is the storage type, okay, in which, okay, a particular work center is available. So let's define a one storage bin in the 8050, and then we need to assign that, okay, the VAS work center. Same thing like, okay, whatever be the way we did for the deconsolidation. So I just want to define a bin. Okay, so VAS1. Okay, so
W.
yep.
So,
So, yeah. Because these keys are not keys up properly. So what is that bin? Okay, 8050. Okay. So there is a section, okay. Yep. Okay, so I just defined, okay, 2 bins. Okay, same thing. Okay, I just want to define, okay, one more bin also. So VAS2. Now just okay, save this particular thing. Okay. Now, so once you have defined okay those particular bins, okay, you just okay need to assign okay the particular okay the bins to the work center also. So in extended warehouse management, okay, go to the settings, and then where is this thing, the master data, then go to the work center, and then okay define the master data attributes. So now these are okay the two work centers, okay, which we have it, okay. So just okay link those particular two things okay to the corresponding bins, okay. One is okay the VAS1 is the bin okay which I want to link it, okay. So VAS2 is okay the another bin okay which I just okay linked it, okay. Now okay, so once you just defined it, okay, if you want to enable okay the process oriented storage control or any of these things, okay, where is our okay maintain the inbound delivery. So these particular goods, okay, I just want okay inbound delivery. Now I just want to create a warehouse task. Okay, so this time okay I want to move the goods okay to the VAS workstation, okay. So from GR zone, okay, I just want to move okay first the goods okay to the VAS1, okay, and then okay I just want to create plus save.
Really, a question.
Yeah.
These things should be, if we have defined a certain flow that this particular material has to first be downloaded at this particular door, and then it has to move to certain work center, and then it has to be moved to a final portal. So these things, system should determine for us rather than being mentioning it everywhere.
Yeah, exactly. Of course, okay. The system has to determine because okay. What is the problem here? Okay.
Storage.
Yep. So let me check. Okay, just
Last
say that. Sorry.
Last two we should need for storage.
So VAS1, right? It is okay. Yep, VAS1 is available. Okay, so.
And moreover, I've noticed one more thing. That even in the process-oriented storage control, we have mentioned that we will use unloading
actually, because okay, what actually I did is that okay, here I did not use a process-oriented storage control. Okay, if you want to use a process-oriented storage control, first okay, the goods okay will come from okay the door to GR zone.
Yeah.
Then okay, based on the deconsolidation, okay, suppose if the deconsolidation is relevant, okay, it will go from GR zone to the decon and then to VAS.
Right.
Otherwise, okay, from GR zone, okay, if there's no deconsolidation relevant, GR zone to VAS directly.
Yes.
So that way, okay, you just enable the process-oriented storage control. Process-oriented storage just moves you don't need to create the warehouse task. System will create the next warehouse task automatically.
But the system does not even stop us from doing the particular activity.
Sorry?
Even if we don't unload, and if we go directly to create the warehouse.
So why is breaking?
No. Come again, Prabhajit.
The system is not stopping us from doing a particular activity. Like the first step should be unloading.
Yeah.
So even if we don't do unloading and if we try to do GR, the system is not stopping us.
Yeah, of course, okay. That actually, okay, you can, okay, because the standards is setting, okay, will always, okay, check that, okay, you don't need to do the unload, but you can do the GR based on the document. But okay, you can just okay see okay you can just okay preserve so that okay the goods receipt okay should not be able to done by the user.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so you just okay disable okay the goods receipt authorization so that okay they should not even able to do the GR okay directly going to the delivery document unless it is unloaded.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So there has to be a certain process that has to be followed.
Yeah, of course. What happened? Okay, for this thing. Okay, I just want to know whether the warehouse task is already created or what. Okay, so the default values. Okay, let me try to check. Okay, what is the problem with? Okay, if I just want to move the goods, okay.
Did you
Okay,
create
so
a bin vacuum in the correct section?
Srini, the WVI2, Srini,
uh-huh.
the WVI1, that storage type, right? It is
IB01,
it is not in
IB01, IB02,
E.
IB03.
It is not
No,
in
that
EHYD. It is not in EHYD warehouse. That is.
yeah, maybe that's also okay. Sorry. No, this is okay. EHYD, okay, it's available, okay, but okay, let me check, okay, the settings also, okay. Master data, okay. Where is work center, okay. So the warehouse EHYD, WVI1, okay. So we have, okay, the VAS1, okay, so it's 8050, okay, so this is the storage bin, okay, which I just want to use it, okay. I think it may not be saved, or okay, it might have, okay, got created, okay, later also. So let me try to check it also. So if I just try to create it, okay, it should not, okay, give me any error. Storage bin, okay, WVI1 does not exist in the warehouse, okay, let me check it, okay.
Really, you haven't created work centers.
No, I defined the work center also, WVI1.
We saw that, but we haven't created.
Is it? Okay, let me check it also. Master data, work center. No, this is the work center. Okay. So it has an inbound section, and also it has an, okay. So what actually it's trying to do is that, okay, whenever if I try to move the goods directly, okay, so let me, okay, just give me 1 minute. Maybe the system might not be refreshed, or okay, I can just do one thing, just slash n, okay, slash, okay, the PRDI, because sometimes, okay, even, okay, the save, okay, may not be, okay, proper also, because, okay, just now I defined this bin, so one delivery follow on functions, okay, just, okay, the warehouse task. Now, or okay, it might be, okay, taking that, okay, the storage control, okay, maybe taking that particular thing. Okay, so the VAS1, okay, 8050, let me select, okay, the bin also. So whether the bin is available or not, okay, so the bin is taking it, okay, that's fine. Now if I just want to create it, okay, storage bin, okay, WVI1, okay, now I got it, okay, the problem, okay, so just, okay, go to the bin, okay, so let me check, okay, whether what is the problem with the bin. Hmm. 050, okay, that's fine. Is there, I hope, okay, the bin is not blocked or what?
There is another section for that. We have taken
Sorry?
section as 0001. We have taken the section as 0001.
Yeah.
And the section that was there in the setting was the, the second one, I think.
No, that is fine actually, okay, I don't need to, okay, or okay, whenever, okay, if I just, okay, this, okay, I don't need to check it actually, okay. So if I just go back, okay, so you can do is that, okay. No, it's not reflecting the changes actually. So
Yeah.
yeah, the changes are actually not getting reflected. So let me okay. Hmm. Or okay. Now anyway, okay, even okay, if these goods are available here, okay, so what we can do is that okay.
Not changed.
Okay, so just okay, let me try to create it. Okay, now still the same error only. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, let me try. Okay, directly okay, move the goods. Okay, slash scwm slash okay the what we can do is that okay, I can just go here. Okay,
The bin that
yeah,
showed, it was different
yeah.
from the bin that we have given it.
Sorry.
The bin that came in the error, it is the
Yeah.
different from the bin that we are giving it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Can you
Okay,
check
let
that?
me. Yeah, just okay. Give me okay. Let me try to check it. Okay, whether the VAS work center is available in the for help here or not. Okay, then okay, system okay should give me the right way. Okay, see here, the first step. Okay, the VS01. I want to do it into the work center. Okay, first work center. Okay, so can you see here? The first work center is available here to me. That means okay, there's no problem with the work center. Okay, and for the VS02, that means okay, first thing is the preservatives. I want to add it in the first work center, and then I want to do the packing in the different work center. Can you see here now? So that means okay, the packing okay, or these activities are okay completed. Okay, there's no error with the VAS work center for me. And as well as okay, if I want to go to my document, okay, based on this particular thing, okay, so that also okay, there's no problem. Okay, so let me try to do one thing. Let me try to move ad hoc. Okay, instead of okay, what is the problem? Okay, I can just see it clearly from here. HYD underscore okay, rise. Okay, this is the product. Okay, which I want to move.
Srini, maybe after assigning work center, it will create the task.
No, it don't need of it. Okay, okay, unless you enable the process oriented storage control. Okay, it will not create it. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, let me try to okay move the goods okay manually the quantity. Okay. Now okay, from GR zone, okay, I just want to move to the VAS1. Okay, so if I just want to create it, okay, let me see. Okay, what is the problem here? Create plus save. What is this error again here? No, I think it got moved or what? Okay.
Yes, it's gone.
Oh, it has gone. Okay, so that's why I just want to know. So slash n, okay, CWM slash AD HYD rise, okay. No, it's still not moved, Suraj. Okay, let me try to see that, okay, whether any open warehouse task already got created or what, okay.
Maybe we have to use the same warehouse process type, the one that
No
we
need
have.
of, no need of it, okay. This is okay, because okay, now the goods are lying in the GR zone.
Okay.
So now I just want to, okay, use, okay, to the VAS1, okay. Just want to move the goods, okay. Create plus save, okay. So let me try this thing. The system okay throws the same error or not. Okay, if I try to move okay ad hoc also, maybe okay that system okay earlier okay but the delivery might not be okay updated properly, so that's why okay. So now okay, so the system actually might not have saved it properly, otherwise even the system should throw the error here also. Okay, if the VAS bin is okay not available properly. Okay, so the warehouse order okay, you can see that okay it got created and as well as we confirmed it also. Now I moved the goods from the GR zone to the VAS work center. Now my actual VAS guy okay will go and okay execute that okay the VAS operation. So SCWM slash VAS execution is the transaction code okay if you want to finish that okay the VAS order. So now I'm just logging into the first work center. If you go there okay, Okay, can you see here now in the VAS work center? Now you can see that okay, the HYD rice is available. Now what actually it has to do is that okay, first thing is that okay, first it has to, you have to finish okay the oil operation, or okay, you need to add okay the preservatives okay for that particular okay the VAS operation, and then in the next work center okay, you have to do that okay the actual okay the packing operations also. So that means okay, the guy who is doing the VAS activity, now he knows it okay what to do also. Now he need to select a particular step. The worker usually they select a particular step. Suppose if you want it even in the work center of VAS, you can do the repacking, or okay, you can do that okay the posting differences and all those things also. So now you need to select that okay the each quantity, and then okay you need to put that okay, first of all see here the worker assuming that okay he want to start adding the preservative, so he will click okay the start, and then okay once okay he finishes all his work okay, then okay he will put okay the end also. Okay, otherwise okay he could not finish the whole quantity also. So usually okay he keep on okay progressing that okay, assuming that 10 quantity is there here. He puts that okay, sorry? Hello? And even okay he can put that okay the effort also, or okay he can take that okay the print of okay the packaging specification okay that contains okay how to pack a particular product also. It may contain the picture of a particular packaging or gift wrapping, or okay it may be industry manual okay how to open a particular product also. Okay, so once he finishes okay the VAS activity, then okay he will finish okay the end also. Okay, can you see here? Now it will update okay the completed quantity also. The VAS status okay it will show it as okay the completed. Okay, now if any auxiliary materials okay if you want to post it okay, here okay he can just put that okay how much actually he consumed it also. Okay, see here okay, so assuming that okay I consume okay, we know that okay for this thing I just want to use this particular product, so I'm just okay consuming it as one. But sometimes okay while my end users are working for packing, right, they may consume okay 2 packing materials also, because some may be corrupted, or okay some okay he don't like it, so he want to trash the particular product also. So here okay usually okay it may be a paint also. Suppose usually if it is a paint, I know that approximately how much paint it is going to be, but later okay it may be different also. Is it clear now? So here actually they can put it okay how much actually the quantity okay actually okay got consumed, and then okay he can just okay finish that okay the particular VAS activity. Now yeah.
Can we do the same thing in the monitor, or this is separate transaction only?
No, in the VAS execution is a transaction. SCWM VAS exec.
So in the monitor we cannot do this one, right?
No. It's actually a desktop kind of thing, okay, where the end user, okay, see, I'm just doing this thing, but actually the end user, okay, he will be activating, adding the preservatives to the product, and then he need to post it, okay, when he started and when he ended and how much quantity, okay, he consumed it also. Okay, so like these things. Okay, now the goods are okay. Now the first VAS activity got finished, okay. Next thing is that okay, I just want to okay move the goods okay from VAS 1 to the another VAS 2 also. Okay, so that okay I want to actually okay send it for the packing workstation. Now the goods are available at the VAS 1. Now I just want to move it to the another bin, okay, where actually I want to do the packing also. So VAS 2. Now if I just
we can take it.
Yep. So VAS 2 I just confirmed it, okay. Now if I go to the same transaction again, okay, VAS execution, okay, this is assuming that okay this is going to be done by a different warehouse worker, okay, in his own work center, okay. So WEI2, the second VAS work center, okay. So now if I just go here, now select that particular quantity. Now you can see that okay the first VAS activity is okay completed. Can you see here? And also you can see that the status of the VAS document which is in progress also. Now we need the particular worker okay need to select okay the second activity. Now he need to click that, okay, the start, and then, okay, usually on the dynamically, okay, he will be posting that, okay, how much quantity is actually, okay, he completed, so that, okay, the warehouse worker, okay, the supervisor can see that, okay, how much quantity, okay, they are able to finish within a time, or how much is still, okay, waiting to be packed also. So they can always see in the monitor, okay, how much the quantity got, okay, completed, and how much is still pending also.
Srini?
Yep.
Here start means what exactly they will do? Like they will start it here and physically do something in the warehouse?
Yes, exactly. No, actually, okay, the worker, okay, see here, let's take this example, Anant, okay. Now this HYD rice, okay, they finish the oiling here.
Right.
Now this guy, okay, has to do the packing. So this guy, okay, need the instructions, right, okay, what to do.
Yeah.
Now I'm telling to the warehouse worker that, okay, take this HYD rice and then, okay, pack it in this particular packing material. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then, okay, once this is packing is constructed, and repack them again in the another packet also. So these are the instructions. Okay, see, this is only like, okay, packing is available. Instead of packing, even I can put the work instructions also here in the element type. See, it can be n number of instructions, like, okay, the pack, and then, okay, take the print, and then, okay, put a label, and then add a gift wrap. N number of instructions it can be in the pack spec.
Yeah. So start. What exactly the start means then?
Specification.
Sorry, yeah, that is what, okay, available in the packaging specification. See here, okay, first thing is that, okay, I add the preservatives, then I am doing the packing. Before this packing, okay, I can just add, okay, n number of steps also here. I can add a work step also here.
Right.
Okay, so.
But Srini, the start in the sense, what exactly that will do? Start in the sense,
See,
what?
Start in the sense means, okay, the worker telling them that, okay, I am starting the work.
Oh, okay.
I'm starting the packing operation.
They started a VAS service, whatever.
Exactly.
Right?
Okay. So exactly, they're saying that, okay, I'm starting this VAS activity. So from that time, actually, the clock started to tick.
Then it will log this activity, Srini?
Sorry, come again.
Sorry.
Yeah, it will lock this particular activity, right?
Exactly. So if somebody, okay, try to access the same operation in the same work center, it will give the error. Okay, so once the end user, okay, click the start, you can see, okay, automatically the setting, okay, it state changes to in process.
Right.
Okay, now he could not finish, okay, any of the quantity. Okay, he can put it as a with a quantity variation, or he can put it, okay, how much quantity he is able to complete it also. Can you see here? Once you put it, actually the start time will be registered here.
Right.
Okay, now once he finishes that thing, okay, the end date, okay, it will be appear also. Can you see here now? So to finish this particular packing operation, the end user is taking, okay, 2 minutes. Now what you can do, you can always, okay, calculate, okay, the performance of the VAS operations inside the system, the KPIs, okay, whether they are able to do the packing within the time, or okay, whether they are, okay, wasting some packing materials also. All those things you can monitor in the warehouse.
Uh-huh.
This Srini?
Yep.
Yeah, VAS pack is we have to put at least one packing spec, right? Or any notes, anything, right?
No, at least, okay, one packing specification is required.
Yeah, right. What about that preservative level? Is it mandatory?
No. See, because, okay, this is not mandatory. I can have, okay, any of my own levels also.
Okay. It is your own level. Okay.
Okay, because, okay, this template, okay, came automatically because I use a pack spec of type of VAS.
Okay, right.
Which is, okay, standard delivered SAP template pack spec.
Okay.
So
okay,
it is quite possible, Srini, that we might not be doing the packing operation, doing something else in the VAS, but we will still have to maintain that condition type in the packaging specification.
Yes, exactly. Suppose if you want to do any VAS operation, at least minimum one packing specification, even a dummy packing specification at least should exist.
Okay, yeah, so maintaining packaging specification doesn't mean that you have to pack it.
Yes, exactly. That does not mean that you have to mandatorily pack it. That only contains instructions how to pack it, but does not ensure that, okay, whether you packed it right way or not.
No, I mean it can be any VAS operation, right?
Yes, exactly.
Need not to be a packing.
Yeah. So usually, okay, if you look at from the warehouse worker perspective, right? Usually they can go here, and they can usually take the printout of this pack spec. They can go for the print preview of this pack spec. Usually here is a place where we put the picture of the diagram or how to pack. If you look at any industry manuals, see, if you look at any industry manual, suppose let's say that you have a mixie or grinder. Usually, if you want to pack it, you will have instructions, right? How to pack it.
Right.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
Suppose, first you need to put it in a gift shrink wrap, and then, put them in a, what I can say, thermocol, and then, they say that, put a electric outlet in a particular place. All these things, these things, he can have a picture of that thing.
This pack spec, where will we enter that kind of information?
Which one?
Here we have a button, right? Pack spec.
Yeah.
So, but you said we can print that information.
Yes.
But is some information is already there, or we have to enter some information over there?
No. Whatever you defined your pack spec, the SAP delivers a default part form. See, I'm just that's what I'm just trying to show you one of the default print output.
Okay.
So when you click here, I don't think defined the printing spool everything. Let me take it to the print preview. LP01. I just want to take the print preview. No, the print preview itself is not coming in the system. See, usually he goes and clicks this particular pack spec print preview, or he can take a printout of this thing, and then does the packing as per the instructions in this particular pack spec. I want to show you that thing also. Let me. Usually, when we go here, Anant.
Yeah.
So this step, even if you go to the additional data, usually you may add the pictures and all these things also. You can add that the text, or you can add the pictures or anything also here. So when the actual guy when he prints it, he gets the complete the instructions also.
Can we is it possible to enter some instructions here, and can we see over there?
Yes, of course. So I just want to show you again one printout, how it looks like. No, it's actually short dump is actually getting generated. The dynamic illegal form was not caught. The callback form. So the pack spec. The smart form. It did not match it. Some problem with the smart form. If you look at this, the BCDWB is a smart form code. It's not getting printed. Usually, once you have a pack spec, you'll create your own the forms also, Anant. I'll show you where actually you can have that particular the print output. You will put it.
Srini, I have one question. If, for example, if a worker is given a work to pack, say, 100 kg of rice in 1 kg packing each.
Yeah.
So for him, I can understand that whenever he starts the work, that is the start point. So what is the end of the activity after packing the 100 kg, or after packing, each rice of each in 1 kg bag?
No, that actually, see here, whether he want to store it like 1 kg or the 100 kg, that's what you are driving through your pack spec, right?
Right.
See, let me create one more pack spec so that you will get to know.
Srini, can you show very simple one labeling? Then
exactly.
We can go with
Exactly. Yeah.
Very simple spec.
Yep. Packaging. Specification. This thing. So let's take this example. What I want to do is that for the HYD curry, let's take this example. HYD curry. Okay, I want to pack like these things. Okay, first thing is that one quantity. Okay, I want to add in a one bubble wrap, or I want to put it in one pack material. Once this is one quantity, I packed it in pack material. Now all these once these are all whatever the packet, and then like 100 of like these, I want to pack it in one pallet, and then once this is done, I want to apply a label on top of this thing, and then do the gift wrap. Okay, is it clear now? Suppose see here, one packet, I want to put it in one packing material, and then taking off 100 those kind of boxes. See here, let's take this example. One Coke, put it in one small cover. Step 1. Usually, if you look at step 1. Now 100 like in step 2, what I want to do my worker is that put 100 like step 1 in a case. Is it clear now? Step 1, I want to do like this thing. Put one Coke in one small cover. In step 2, put 100 like step 1 in a case. So step 3, apply gift wrap around step 2. Now tell me that in step 3, what is the quantity of the Coke total? So total, yeah.
That step 2 is like a HU, right?
Yeah, it may be the HU, or I can construct a HU at whatever the level I like it also. Okay, so in the pack spec, if you go to the pack spec, you have a checkbox, at a particular, at what level you want to create a HU. Usually we create it at the, when it is actual main packing material, we create the HU. Usually in the second level we create a HU, and then in the step 4, apply a permanent label or whatever it is, and then step 5, spray the, see here, spray water. It's a manual activity. Is it clear now? So this is my packing instructions. Anand, is it clear now?
Yeah.
Suppose these kind of operations are very quite normal in the any warehouse. Put one Coke in one small cover, and then put 100 like step 1 in a case, and then apply the gift wrap. So the total quantity here is that the 100 now, and then apply the permanent label here. This is at a different this thing, and then spray the water manually. So I want to keep track of that how many liters of water is also consumed.
So all this information where will we enter?
That's what all this information you have to put it in the pack spec. So once you define the number ranges, see here, assuming that you defined the pack spec group also for the different activities, you can see that the level set, this is the level set which is used by the standard system. Now let's, what I want to define is that I want to add our own structures also. So maintain that see here, the level type. You can see, can you see here now the level type? I just want to add a new entries here. What is this thing is that add water. See here, I just want to add the last step, the spray the water. Spray the water.
Here only the HU flag is there, no? Create HU flag.
Yes. Now you just define the element types also.
In this case you are defining 4 levels or what? Are you defining 4 levels?
Yeah, I just want to define I just want to define our own things also.
But how many levels it will be, like 3 or 4?
No, you can have n number of levels.
But this
before
like
if you are defined.
Levels,
Yep. So it's not at all the relevant for HU.
So what is this icon here?
It's basically when you go to the actual, okay, if you have all the SAP icons, right, you might have used it in your web app, like, okay, the print button.
Right.
Okay, suppose, okay, for spraying water, you want to use this particular symbol in the VAS activity.
Okay.
Okay, so that, okay, the workstation, okay, they show that, okay, the different symbols, okay, for the different sets. Okay, now you just, okay, define, okay, the level set also.
So that information will be printed in the SAP Smart Form?
Yes, okay, you need to add it, okay.
Okay.
Now, okay, see here, okay, for that corresponding, okay, the level set, okay, or whatever it is, okay. Okay, the new entries, okay, or okay, we can just, okay, assign, okay, the level types, okay. So now I just want, okay, even for the VAS activity, okay, I just want to add, okay, the new level type, which we just defined, okay, the spraying water. Okay, so the spray the water. Okay. Okay, so now if you look at, okay, the element types inside this thing, okay, I don't want, okay, the auxiliary packing material, or I don't want, okay, the pack material here. I just want to add, okay, the element type here, which is the packing water. Okay, just, okay, the spray the water. Okay, now inside that particular element type, okay, I want to add, okay, some of the work steps also. So want to, okay, what I want to do add the work steps is that, okay, I just want to put this thing under the sequence number 3, and then, okay, under this thing, the sequence number 1. Yeah, just send me the link. Okay, so you can just define it, okay, n number level of structure also. Okay, now you can define your own work step types. Okay, see here, okay, I have, okay, the work step type of, okay, the special packing instruction. I can just copy this thing, okay, as I spray the water. Okay, you can just add it, okay, whatever the instructions, okay, you want it. Special, okay, water, okay, spray. Now, if you go to the, now what you can do is that, okay, slash scwm slash and scwm slash, okay, pack spec. Okay, if you just try to create, okay, the one more pack spec for the VAS. Can you see here, Anant, now? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Anant, can you see here now?
Yeah.
So now, okay, see, once I add the oil, and then, okay, once you did the packing to the my Coke or whatever it is, then I added, okay, the spray waters also.
Right.
Now, okay, let's take this example that, okay, I want to, okay, add, okay, the spray water, okay, multiple times also. So now I can add, okay, the one more level also here for the spray waters again and again. Okay. Okay, I can add, okay, see here, can you see here now, you can always, okay, add a level also, or you can add a product, or, okay, one pack spec, you can embed it in another pack spec also, assuming that, okay, my first pack spec contains 3 instructions, and you want to construct those kind of pack spec, okay, 100 kind of packets, and then put it in a big packet. So that you can add a subordinate pack spec also here. Okay. So you can add, okay, the multiple levels, and then, okay, you can construct it, okay, whatever the way you like it also. So once you finish all these things, and then, okay, can you see here now? It added that, okay, the level 4 also again. So, and then, okay, like this thing, you can add, okay, the n number level of, okay, the packing instructions. Can you see here? You can add okay the each level, and each level okay, for each level you can again okay add one more sub levels also. But most of the times okay, we will not have okay more than okay the 4 to 5 levels. But the advantage of using the template is that okay the system okay delivers a default template if you add it at the set level. Otherwise manually you need to keep on okay click a plus symbol and then you need to add it always here. Okay, and the end user okay always okay a smart form is always associated with each pack spec also, so that okay they can when the actual print happens okay they can see that okay how the print preview is going to look like.
So is it a mandatory?
Which one?
Having a smart form associated with this one?
No, suppose okay if the end user okay if they cannot understand okay from this particular okay the instructions how to pack it, usually let's take that okay once you pack it okay let's take this example okay once a guy pack it okay usually they want to attach that industry manual also, usually which they put it inside the box.
Okay.
You got my point, right? See, once the laptop is constructed they want to put that okay the industry manual or okay the how to open or okay how to construct a box also.
Right.
Hey, I think have you ever bought any material from IKEA?
Yeah.
See, once they pack the box, usually okay you will have that assembly instructions.
Right.
That's what actually we put all the assembly instructions inside this pack spec and then okay we put it in the box.
Okay. You work
So
in
that-
IKEA?
Sorry?
You work in IKEA also?
No, I'm just telling you that okay the users of this thing, okay.
Oh, okay.
So that see at least you should be able to relate it to the actual users of these things, right?
Right.
Okay, so that's the way okay you can use okay the pack spec and then okay we can do that okay the VAS operations also. So one thing okay I always want to tell you is that okay whenever if you want to use any business partners, if they're going to have the same number, always be very careful with it, okay. Okay, because why the problem okay for us is that okay where is this thing okay we have okay the XD03 also the customer okay 1000 is available and as well as okay the vendor also 1000 is available.
But Srini, they have a different account group, right?
No, that is fine. Okay, but okay, account group okay does not have any relevance to me in SCM because in SCM everything is business partner. Okay, see I have customer with a number 1000. Okay.
You are calling the customer as 1000 based on
As well as okay, and as well as okay, the XK01 also have a same. Sorry, XK03.
03. Yeah.
And also okay have the same vendor okay 1000 also with a different name, but actually when it actually both got replicated to SCM okay both got saved as 1000 only
As a
And
single
then it-
unit?
as a single business partner.
But how will we differentiate
Oh,
like this one?
Sorry.
How will we know like how is it possible like that?
No, usually okay you will not have this scenario, but okay if you are having this kind of scenario, whenever if you shift that okay the vendor or customer, what usually we do is that okay we add okay suppose okay KU underscore okay the vendor number like this thing.
Yeah.
You got it right? Or okay the KU underscore okay the customer, or and then okay for the vendor we put it as okay the VN underscore okay the corresponding vendor number, so that okay they will always go and okay create it as different entries in the SCM system.
Okay. So we can do this one in the
Okay.
baddie, right?
Yeah, and the SIF baddie you have to do it because it's a common baddie which we do it always. Okay, sometimes it's expected that okay customers and vendors may have the same number in the ERP systems.
Right.
It's
Correct.
quite possible also.
Exactly. That is what I wanted to say.
Okay, no, it's very much possible also.
My vendor, for example, subcontracting, the vendor will become a customer when I try to deliver the goods to him.
Yep. So you have to do like this thing. So you need to always implement the SIF baddie and then okay create the business partner appropriately. Hey, I think some voice is echoing. Okay, so like this thing, okay, can you just try that, okay, now what exactly I want from you is that, okay?
Any business partner, but the type will be different, right?
Which one?
That vendor and customer.
Exactly. You know, that's why I'm not. I'm really
Even
confused.
that location vendor, everything is translated to as a location. Here, it's a type is different.
No. Okay, you go. I think okay. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, the BP number is the right.
Yeah, number is same, but the type of.
But account group is different.
No, Kannan. Okay, see, when the BP number itself is same, then okay, how can you differentiate it? First of all, because in my pack spec,
Yeah,
okay, I gave
type
the
is,
no, because okay, I gave that okay the business partner number as okay. See, always the system cannot create a one more business partner.
Within type, within same type, cannot.
No, because okay, the key is not the type. That is the problem. The key field is the BP number.
Yeah, Srini, I saw that problem yesterday. I created my plant as a vendor, PL5302, and I also created a customer PL5300.
Yeah.
And then I ran into this problem because I first passed the vendor.
No, because okay, see that's what okay. I just want to warn you also because in SCM system the BP number is the key field. Okay, if you go to the table BUT000.
Okay.
BP number is the key field and not the, it's not associated as a type, okay?
Oh, it is not a customer number, it is not a vendor number, it's just a business partner number.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So always,
is it not a serious setback, Srini?
No, because, okay, this business partner is a cross-application concept, okay, which is there in all the modules like SCM, SRM, CRM.
Srini?
Okay, yeah.
You said the BP number is the key, but how will two numbers will be created?
No, it will not create two numbers. So it will not create two numbers, okay, but whatever it is available, okay, when it map back to the logical system, it cannot find it which is what also. So always it's expected it should be unique.
But it's not unique in this case, right?
Yes.
Is the vendor and customer is same number in ERP, you cannot push it to here. It will get confused.
No, it will push. No, it will push up and it will not have any error. But thing is that okay, each time.
When you go back, it won't do, right?
Exactly. So association types, okay, will go wrong.
Yeah. Correct.
There is a problem actually always. Okay, so what we do is that okay, we always okay add that okay in the SIF body we implement it and we always say that. Back. So we put it Anant okay VN underscore and KU underscore.
Okay.
That's a limitation I can say.
Okay.
And we face a lot of problems also whenever if the same number, so we always put it as the best strategy that attach VN underscore KU underscore.
If the number is same, then we have to do this one or is this
yeah. Usually, okay, what we do is that VN underscore ERP logical system name underscore vendor number, because why it is, I can have okay one SCM and multiple ERP also.
Right.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
So sometimes okay I can have the same vendor but it's a different vendor actually, but it is in the two different ERP systems also.
Right.
Got it.
Okay, so we always okay this is a naming convention which we usually add it. VN underscore the corresponding ERP logical system underscore the actual number. This will always okay give us a unique key. This is a best practice document says. Okay. Okay. So don't worry about the thing. Okay. Yeah.
If we try to shift the vendor and customer with the same number, so for example 1000. So will that, if we are trying to shift customer and we already have a vendor there,
okay,
so will it try to add to the identification tab one more line item or?
I think it will add one more type if I am correct.
Yes. I think so that it would add one line item.
Yeah, in the identification tab I think it will add one more type. That's what even I observed, but I can just recheck it on this thing. Okay. Usually it should add one more identification type, okay? Now, okay, so as an exercise, okay, what I just want is that, okay, see here, hey, okay, to everybody, okay, so what I just want to do as exercise, okay,
giving to Suraj.
everybody, okay, so from GR zone, okay, assuming that okay the HYD rice okay plus okay the HYD okay curry both delivered in one single HU. So I have okay the 4 work centers, okay, see here, okay, 4 work centers okay for the VAS activities. Okay, in the first work center I want to do that okay the HYD rice, okay, add okay the preservatives. in the second work center, okay, pack, okay, the rice, okay. This is a second work center, and third work center for the HYD underscore, okay, curry, add, okay, the preservatives. And okay, in the fourth work center, okay, I just want, okay, to the pack, okay, the curry. And then once all these activities are done, okay, next I'm going to have, okay, the 1/5 work center, okay, where actually, okay, I'm having, okay, just it's a simple labeling only. So gift labeling, okay, this is another work center.
And have a drink.
Yep. Okay, that's what, okay, whatever you want to add it, okay. So HYD plus curry, so GR zone, and then, okay, to decon, and then to corresponding, okay, VAS, okay, automatically, and then to subsequent, okay, work centers. Okay, and once this gift labeling is done, then I want to do that, okay, the final put away. Can you try this scenario?
Sundar?
Hello?
Sundar is muted.
Hey,
Oh,
okay, Kannan, okay, yeah, everybody, can you just try this scenario? So what actually I want to have the scenario is that, okay, the two products came in single box, okay, so the deconsolidation is relevant, so the door to the GR zone and then to the deconsolidation. So once the deconsolidation is done, then based on the corresponding material, it has to find the right VAS work center. So for the rice, actually it has to go to the work center 1 for to add the preservatives, and for the curry it has to go to the work center 3, and then it has to go to the work center 2 to pack the rice, and the work center 4, okay, to pack the curry. So once all these activities are finished, and if I close the HU, then every material, whatever the activities is completed, everything should appear it in the 5th work center for the labeling. And once the labeling guy finish his work, then it should create a warehouse task automatically for the final put away, and then, okay, I should be able to store my goods. So I want to combine the process oriented storage control with VAS.
See,
Yeah.
in this case, we are putting, for example, one rice and curry comes. So we are putting into two locations. Final.
Yeah, finally is okay. 2 locations. Yeah, final put away is 2 always, okay, obviously 2 different locations.
Curry is going to one bin and
exactly.
Okay.
And also their packing work centers itself is different also, and because okay, the way of you packing itself is different, so you need to have 2 different types of machines assuming to pack it also, because curry machines are different and rice machines are different.
Hey, Kannan.
Okay, this is just like a work center type, right?
Exactly.
Select anything, right?
Yeah, of course, okay.
Yeah.
Work centers itself is different, okay.
Just instruction like, okay.
Yep.
It is also dangerous to put together in the same place actually. If somebody will eat, they will mix and they will eat.
Yeah. So can you try this scenario in your warehouses?
Just mixing rice and curry.
Yeah. Can you give like overview, like is levels, anything? Any additional levels we need to get? Yeah.
No, it's a simple thing only. Assuming that okay, each VAS work center contains one level only, or you can create a simple pack spec only, like which we created, like okay, spraying water, or you can add simple levels only. And then but what I expect is that it has to be created the warehouse task. See, each time I moved it from VAS 1 to VAS 2 using ad hoc, right? But I don't want this thing. Once the VAS 1 is finished, and if I close the box, it has to move to VAS 2 automatically. It has to create the warehouse task automatically.
Sini, I have a question. Is a VAS order also there, correct?
Yeah.
But is same concept? VAS order is different from
VAS order contains the different steps of the VAS activities.
Okay. You are telling is next activity should be automatically created.
Yes, the warehouse task only. The warehouse task to move the goods from work center 1 to work center 2, it has to be created automatically. Yeah. Yeah, Suraj.
So it will be POSC.
Sorry?
It will be POSC.
What is that?
It will be go in POSC.
Means?
Process oriented.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. You have to use the process oriented storage control for these things. Okay. So to my process oriented storage control, what we did is that IV01, 02, 03 we did it, right? You need to add more steps to it only, that's all.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can add
So,
n number of levels.
4 work center means 4 steps.
It's like the 4 steps only actually.
Yeah.
Because the 4 steps
Inside
only.
VAS we will.
Yeah, inside VAS you have
VAS
one more also. See here, I'll tell you.
Yeah,
From door to GR zone it's 1 step. And GR zone to decon is 1 step. And decon to first VAS work center, VAS 1 is 1 step. And VAS 1 to VAS 2 is another step. And then from VAS 2 to final storage.
Yeah.
So these are the activities it has to do automatically.
Right, Srini, actually 4 work center means VAS 2 to VAS 3 will be also coming, no?
Yes, if you are having the gift labeling. Sorry, I forgot it. VAS 2 to the gift labeling. And then to final storage.
Yeah.
Okay, so see, you can have n number of levels. That's not an issue. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Yeah, right. Just making the same scenario into the written one. Nothing.
Yep. So you are just So what I expect from you is that if we can finish this scenario right, you can configure any complex the process oriented storage control.
I am still struggling with decon and packing.
Hey Anand, why don't you
try even inbound.
See, that's what,
Yeah, see.
Maybe I will enroll one more time. Then I can try.
No, you try now itself, right? What's the problem? You already know that complex. See, you already have complex put away. Instead of just you are adding one more step only. That's all you are doing it. So what you are doing is that see here. If you go to here, I'll show you. You just go to here your storage process step SPRO IMG. I'm just telling you. Extended warehouse management. Go to the cross process settings. Warehouse tasks. Go to the process oriented storage control. Now. See, let's see here. Now you just copy this thing. What I want to do is that Z VAS. I just want to copy it.
Copy on. Add the steps.
Add the whatever the intermediate steps. You have it. Now Z VAS. See here it contains IB01, IB02. Let I finish the deconsolidation. I don't want to do the put away, so I just want to delete this thing first. Because this deletion sometimes you need to go back and then come again. Now I want to add the new entries here. Or you can just copy this thing. Now this step I want to do that the VAS step. The VAS work center step which we created VS01, VS02 or whatever it is. VAS oiling, VS01 is another step, I want to do it. And I want to add the one more VAS. You can define n number of steps, don't worry. VS02. And then I want to do that the final put away. IB 03.
Yeah.
Auto creation of because for this thing, sorry. I think I checked this thing because it's the last step. Anand, now once you have the storage process, right? So deconsolidation and then VAS 1, VAS 2 and then final put away. And then link it to that one and then link it to the proper operate the work centers, define all the work centers and then do all the activities.
Sini.
Yeah.
This steps is nothing about bin and type, right?
No, this step means the activities in the process oriented storage control. Suppose IB01 means unload, 02 deconsolidation.
Yeah, it's a process activity name, but
exactly.
Internally is a bin and storage.
Right? No, it's not internally a bin, but it represents like what step of the process oriented storage control.
Unload what we want.
Unload means, see, the step means it will create a warehouse task from the door to the GR zone.
Yeah.
See, this activity I am calling it as IB01. And then the deconsolidation, once I finish it, so IB02, right? If I'm the deconsolidation, once I close the HU, you remember one button we have it in the work center.
Right. But it is IB01 I want to perform. I need a door location and a door type.
Of course, everything okay.
Right?
Yeah, of course, you need to have it. It is nothing but one warehouse task only.
Yeah. If I want to complete this task, I have to create this bin type everything, correct?
Yeah.
Before I.
Okay. Today I did not do anything. Okay, we already did the deconsolidation and we did the VAS. Now we did the process oriented storage control. Now combine these three flavors. That's all.
Okay. But this is in your server. We cannot copy and do. If you do it tomorrow, you cannot logical things make.
No.
Okay.
No, that's fine. Okay. See, as long as if you don't change the basic settings, right? I have no issues. Okay.
No, here we are not. I'm not practicing because if I need, I have to again master data. Everything I need to do.
Okay, but can you just try this scenario in your warehouses so that this is the the most complex the put away. I can say that most complex put away.
This process is more complex than kitting or what?
It's a kind of kitting only. Yeah, because usually the kitting see.
This example shows like split it and means and put it to.
See here actually I created the pack spec manually. Usually whenever if you want to really construct the kits that is driven by the bill of materials. Okay. So usually you construct the bill of materials and then that particular bill of materials will create it as sub item in the delivery and then you will be constructing those sub items and then you will be putting it as a main item. Okay. So this is the way this is the way how the VAS works. Okay. So if you want to actually to practice till this thing and you want to start freshly for the outbound.
Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow, what I can do is that,
Srini,
yeah.
Tomorrow we can have some, tomorrow or Monday we can have a discussion.
Tomorrow we have no class, right? We are traveling tomorrow.
Oh, you are traveling tomorrow?
Yeah, not only me, Raja, me.
Okay, we can have it on Friday.
Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow what we can do is that, we can start from that, So if you have doubt any in the node of, the GR process, just let me know by Friday so that I can take you through all the config nodes in the GI process,
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
So it's on transportation units, not on VAS or USC.
No, transportation unit cannot do anything with the VAS actually.
No, I'm saying like my question is on something else. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, go ahead.
So my question is, I created a vehicle and I observed something like the vehicle's means of transport has to be the same as the means of transport that I'm going to use for the TU. Otherwise, I won't be able to use.
Yeah, I also observed that restriction, but I don't. I have not ever used a vehicle because I always worked with a TU.
Yeah. So, the question is, I'm trying to assign. I created two transportation units. One is inbound and one is outbound.
Okay.
The system is not letting me to assign both inbound and outbound TUs, although they are empty, to one vehicle. So I was just kind of like, we are testing like, can we assign inbound and outbound,
Because to my knowledge, I think, you can add, more than one TU to the same vehicle. Okay.
I can be able to assign two inbound TUs.
Yeah, that's all. That is possible. Okay, see, that is always possible because you can add, the two inbound, the trailers to the same vehicle. But the one TU coming in and one TU going out to the same vehicle, because I have not tested, but I don't know whether it is logically correct or not.
No, logically it's like, let's say, your inbound truck will come, you unload it, and then you want to, load it again.
Yeah, exactly. I agree with you.
So, since the gatehouse is too far.
Abhishek, you can do like this, yard in, then while doing the yard out, you set up no direction. you set up no direction. So while going, it will take outbound.
Yeah, but problem is like the inbound shipment which is coming, it will have different TU, and the outbound shipment already in staging area, it is already allocated a different TU.
Yeah, because I know that, okay, you want to add the no, here Suraj, okay, here what they want to do is that, okay, the vehicle is same, but they want to add, okay, two different trailers. Okay, one which is already docked, and okay, they want to leave the vehicle and then they want to take the outbound trailer.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, this actually should be possible. Okay, maybe we can create a OSS message and then can check it also. This should be possible.
Okay, okay.
No, it's a common scenario because it's a very logical scenario. Okay, if it is throwing that error, right? Okay, SAP can give the note definitely.
It gives like something like overlapping, something like that. Some error comes up.
Can you create a message actually?
Okay.
Yeah, you can create a message, right?
And I haven't. I just did it today only.
Yeah, you can create a message. Okay, they will definitely come back on it. Okay, don't worry.
Do that.
It's a very logical requirement. Okay.
And I saw one more thing. After creating TUs, external TUs, I was trying to see what trees I have created.
Okay.
The SAP was inconsistent. Sometimes it was showing me my TUs. Sometimes it was saying nothing found, nothing selected.
No, there is a note actually for it. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a note actually. Yeah, there's a note for it. Okay, it's a common symptom. Okay, you have to implement that note actually.
Okay, and your information, we are running on what is the support pack level? I think
no, but there is a note actually.
6. We are on 6.
But actually now almost 20 is I think going on.
I think it's 11 or 12 is already out, right?
Yep.
Okay. So could you please pass me over that OSS note number?
Yeah, I can just check it actually because okay, even we face the same kind of error because sometimes the TU got created and it is suddenly it misses in the suddenly it just disappears also.
I created 3 TUs.
Yep.
And nothing. So what I did, I went into the vehicle, process vehicle transaction, and there I was when I was trying to click. Assign the TU, there I was able to see all my TUs. So I was like kind of puzzled.
Okay.
In the main transaction of TU process, I cannot see my TUs. When I'm calling those TUs in vehicle, for the assignment purpose, I can see. So I was like kind of puzzled, like what's happening.
No, there is a note actually I'm telling you, okay, because this, whatever the issue you are saying clearly, okay, initially I think, okay, when we implemented on another version, okay, we saw the same error. It's like a sporadic kind of thing only.
Exactly, sporadic. It comes and goes. Maybe tomorrow morning it will work.
Yes. Okay, there. That's what is there. Okay.
This
okay, I can just pass on that note to you. Don't worry. I'll just check it with the note number.
Srini, this problem was in 5.0, not in the 7.0.
No. This thing okay in 7 point only, Suraj. It is a sporadic issue. There's a note for it.
Okay, let me check.
No, Suraj, there's a note actually. I can just forward that note to you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a note for it.
I am just checking the SAP notes. Okay, I will also.
Yeah. Okay. Because sometimes okay, the note setting is always a different art. I can say we need to check it on the error message or we need to check it on the class.
Right.
It's not like a Google search. Okay.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Okay. So Anand.
So it becomes hard for me to search for EWM notes. So I'm really new to that.
Okay. So can you try this scenario? Okay. I hope okay by tomorrow. Can you just try this scenario? So everything okay in one thing.
Yeah.
But as a matter of fact, I mean, we are not going to use VAS.
No. You can just okay try so that okay you can be comfortable with the process-oriented storage control also.
Like I tried PSC already. I did one simple PSC. Go to CR zone to work center and repack my HU. From there to final put away bin.
Oh, okay.
Did you do repacking is okay, but did you do decon?
I didn't do the decon. I just did the repacking, and then after that, I mean, I was working on the handling units to see, I mean, if I can pack in ECC, pass on the same HU number to EWM, and reverse, creating the packing in EWM and can from the same HU to ECC. So that what is done. But I have some questions that actually in HU, do we have to take care of any number ranges, like okay, the external number range of ECC should be an internal number range? Or
no, we don't have actually that restriction, but okay, only thing is that okay, once it is done, okay, that number range okay should be available in that system.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of using the same number range.
Then that should be good actually. Yeah, that should be, usually we use the same number range so that okay, it will be good for tracking in the business actually. Suppose if someone asks you that okay, what happened to the box?
Sure.
It's always okay good to have it in the one unique number. Otherwise they have to go to the delivery and then they have to track it back also. So usually we use the same. The best practice is that we use the same number.
Okay.
Same number ranges.
Do you guys use ILN basis SSCC?
No.
No? Or do you use that internal number range assignment which gets created?
Yeah, usually I never use that okay SSCC, but okay, but okay, it should be possible. Yeah.
When we create, I'm trying to push PO from here to here.
Okay.
As a material should be part of what is account consignment something telling. Means my material is not correct or what?
I don't think so. There should not be an error because at least okay, the SIF should work.
SIF is working now. I'm trying QRFC.
No, first are you able to create the inbound delivery?
Yeah, inbound. Now I tried PO LM21 I ran, and when I add material, it's telling assign some account assignment.
Oh, that thing, right? Okay, yeah, just right, this thing OSM2 and then okay, put that okay the valuation category.
Yeah. Oh, I ought to include that.
Yeah, that material type. Yeah, just okay OSM2. Then okay, Source can guide on that thing to you. He's expert in it.
Okay.
Okay. So can you just try this thing so that okay we can start from the outbound?
Okay.
Sure.
One more question. Kitting is a part of outbound, right?
We can use for inbound and as well as for outbound. It's either way. Suppose okay,
when
this
outbound time we can kit to order whatever.
Yes, that's kit to order. Okay, I can just show you also.
Actually part of VAS, right? But outbound complete.
Actually, when the kit to order, okay, I can take you through the bill of material. Okay, so in the one bill of material we can construct everything and then I can show you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Srini, I have one error. This HU number is not in sync.
Usually that thing we just need to check the number ranges only, Suraj.
Number ranges.
Yeah, usually because the number ranges are assigned to the packing material type actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
What I can do, I can send you the screenshots of the number ranges that I have maintained, and let's see. I mean, if you can based on that you can try to maintain yours.
Yeah, just send it to everybody so that okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Srini, but let's say my external number range, whatever the number range in ERP, then it should come in the EWM as an external number range. Is it possible?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
In that case, then it should be possible, right?
No, but okay, that number range, have you defined it in EWM?
Yeah. External and internal. Two keys, 01, 02 I maintain.
Yeah, but
01 is for internal
and there is one more place actually for the packing material type also the same thing. Okay, should be linked. Okay, just check that setting alone.
Okay. Palette and then we can
exactly.
01 and 02.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, just check that thing and then it should work. If it does not work, okay, you can just check it in this system. Okay, how it's configured, or okay, you can send that we can take other person's help also where it is working. Okay, so what we can do is that okay, we can start from the strategies, and then okay, I can take you to the main thing in the outbound process which we should know is that okay, the warehouse order creation rules, okay, which will type it, okay, which will work it on extensively, and then we can see that okay, the little wave management, and then okay, we can
a question. Pick, pack, and parse.
Yeah, we can do that thing also.
Okay, thanks.
That's a zone kind of picking.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Srini, something differently I did. What I did, inbound delivery notification is created. I clicked on the reject.
Yeah.
So once again, I want to take as activate. Can I do that?
You cannot do that thing.
Then what I have to do?
You have to go and create the inbound delivery again in ERP.
Correct. Okay. Because that one has a zero delivery quantity now.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So don't worry.
Zero delivery quantity. Actually, I was thinking what to do now.
No.
Srini, quick question for you.
Yeah.
It's on the yard management. So, let's say, I have a situation that I have 10 doors and I have 20 trucks coming.
Yeah.
So 10 of the doors, they are allocated, 10 trucks, and other 10 trucks, they are waiting in the parking lot.
Yeah.
So as soon as the door gets free, based on the priority or the chronological order, those 10 awaiting trucks, should get the door assignment automatically. Is it possible in yard management?
No, it's not possible. You have to implement EWM 9.0. There's a door appointment scheduling is there.
Okay.
So in 7 it is not there, but in 9 it is there. The same feature what you are asking.
Okay, because it looks very, very obvious and very, very practical situation.
That's what, 9 they are releasing that functionality.
Okay.
When they are releasing 9?
Maybe in June I think they are expecting with a little bit of like these kind of extra things.
So okay, then we will talk then.
Sure. Okay, so yeah, once we can, okay, so just be prepared for Friday, okay? So we can start from that, GA process, and then I want to take you that, the MFS and then labor management, okay? So you should not have any doubt in any of the config nodes, okay? That's what I expect from you, okay?